In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change text fonts in Shopify. Whether you're setting up a new store or just looking to freshen up the look of your existing one, changing the font can give your site a whole new feel. It's a simple process, but it can make a big difference in creating a unique and professional appearance that resonates with your brand identity. First things first, you'll want to access the site editor in Shopify. This is where all the magic happens and where you can make all kinds of customizations to your store. Once you're in the site editor, direct your attention to the left panel. Here, you'll find a variety of options that allow you to tweak and adjust different aspects of your site. Look for the theme settings, which is represented by a gear icon. Go ahead and click on that. This will open up a new menu where you can dive deeper into the appearance settings of your site. With the theme settings now open, the next thing you'll want to do is click on Typography. This option will give you access to all the font settings available for your site. Once you click on Typography, you'll be presented with a selection of fonts that you can apply to various text types throughout your store. It's all about finding the right style that complements your brand. This part is where the fun begins. You can select different fonts for headings, body text, buttons, and more, depending on the theme you're using. Spend a little time choosing fonts that not only look great, but also enhance readability and match your brand persona. When you make a choice here, it will automatically replace the existing fonts across your site. This means less time spent on manual adjustments and more time to focus on creating engaging content and stellar product descriptions. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've just updated your Shopify store with new text fonts that perfectly suit your style and branding goals. This easy customization can set the tone for your entire site, helping to attract and retain customers with a polished and professional appearance. If you're interested in experimenting more, remember that each theme in Shopify might have different font settings and options. Feel free to explore and adjust as needed until you find the perfect combination. Always preview your changes to ensure everything looks just the way you want before publishing them live. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Transforming your store's look with new fonts can breathe fresh life into your design, making your brand stand out in a competitive market. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on optimizing your Shopify store.